The UN says cuts in British aid will have a devastating effect on its work to reduce maternal and child deaths around the world. The money funds a family planning programme in some of the world's poorest countries. Well, let's talk to Baroness Sugg, a former international development minister who resigned last year over the aid cuts that the government announced. Good to see you this morning. Look, what impact is this particular reduction going to have?
Good morning. Well, we are sadly starting to see the real-world impacts of this decision to cut aid. And as you said, there's a really strongly worded statement from the UN overnight spelling out exactly what the consequences are going to be for this family planning project. And this is a project which provides condoms and health supplies and contraception to women and girls in 40 of the world's poorest countries. And this withdrawal of UK funding means that millions of women are not going to have access to contraception. And sadly, that will mean many millions of unintended pregnancies and unsafe abortions and hundreds and thousands of maternal deaths.